Hey everybody, my name is Tyler McEwen with Tiger Cabinetry. I'm here with Houston Clinch and we are at Bellsford Landing. We are doing two beautiful new builds with Tim and Cole Wheeler with Wheeler Construction. We've got lot 5 behind me and lot 6 here to my left. So here at a kickoff, we are here to, 1, meet our installers, but 2, make sure everything is here to set all the cabinets appropriately. So let's check it out. Here at our kickoff, we have our full design plan to where we are able to flip to every elevation. So we have our elevation views, which is showing our refrigerator wall here. And then we also walk the whole house to lay out each page, the handles, and make sure the installer has what they need to do the job successfully. So this cabinet here is what we call our apron front or a farm sink cabinet. This is a very crucial part to the install. So we need the farm sink here on the day of install to set your sink appropriately. Therefore, you can get countertops templated to get ready for install for your countertops, because that will delay your project if that sink is not here. A lot of our installers have a laser level that they have set here on the day of install to show accurately how level the floor is in the home, to let them know how much we need to shim up appropriately to make our cabinets level and square.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. That's it with lot 5. Stay tuned for next door. We've got lot 6 coming. As soon as drywall is complete, we'll get out there, get it pre-walked, make sure we're set up for success.